Hey y'all, I am about to put together my floating TV shelf, so stay tuned. So yeah, this was fun and easy. I did have to take the parts off and change them around because they was either upside down or backwards or something like that. But yeah, this was nice and easy. Y'all know my girl wasn't too far behind. Had to have her help me with the flashlight because I couldn't see in those little crevices. But yeah, I had to have her become a hanky because it do got some weight on it. So yeah, this is him just finding the placements for